In this video, we will cover the stock move process across different locations in the same warehouse by using Axacute. At the home page, click on the Warehouse button. Select Stock Move. At the Stock Move page, select the item Warehouse. To enter the item information, simply use your mobile device to scan the item barcode label on the item. Scan the location barcode label on the rack for the outbound location. And then scan the item lot number to specify the lot to move. After the item has been moved, scan the location barcode label for the inbound location. Enter the quantity of the item. If the stock move is successful, a success message will be prompted. If needed, you can print a new label that contains the new location information for the item. Thank you for watching this video.